The selected Wulomei extended greetings from Babu Wulomei and prayed for him to achieve more and be the shining star for all. On his part, Nii Adotey Odaawulu thanked them for the honor and advocated that the youth should be given more education. The Sempe Muslim Akwaashongtse Nii Adotey Odaawulu I celebrated his 1-year anniversary as the Chief Justice of Sempe Muslim Traditional Area. He is the first to be installed as the Sempe Muslim Akwaashongtse on April 4, 2021, following his hard work, peace, love and dedication, commitment and support to his community. The people of Sempe and Gadangme expressed joy over the positive change and progress the Sempe Muslim Akwaashongtse has brought within some towns and villages. Many were those who described the Sempe Muslim Akwaashongtse as a philanthropist and humble with a heart of gold. As part of his efforts to ensure massive progress and unity within the Ga State, the Sempe Muslim Akwaashongtse has single-handedly sponsored events that seeks to bring the people of Gadangme under one umbrella for the purpose of unity and development. The Sempe Muslim Akwaashongtse has also come out with initiatives that seek to support the basic needs of less privileged in the society, and as well as marked his date of birth as a day of party for the less privileged. He has also helped in bringing out the talent in the youth of Gadangme through financial support for boxers, footballers, horse racing and other sporting disciplines.